Who's the little tiger? What's the tiger say? Oh, you are scary. You are a scary tiger. Especially a tiger that looks like a lion. Has a really long tail. Just like a lion. Look at the lammy. Look at the lammy. Oh no. You fell over.
Oh no. Over you.
Where's Dad? Doing daddy stuff. Little lammy, look over here. Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Oh.
No more chocolates. You ate them all, didn't you?
Oh, little lion, can you say hi?
Hi.
Little lion, little tiger, sorry. Little tiger, look over here and say roar. No. I think the lion. I thought the lion went to sleep, but he's not.